In this video, I will share with you step by step how to create a project in Claude AI. So friends, open your accounts here. After that, go to this project section. As you can see here, click on projects. You will open this page. You can search for any project or topics from here. Click on new project. You will redirect to this page. From here, you can create a personal project. As you can see here, write your working one. Choose, for example, this one, test. This is test project, for example, or test. Write your anything here, object of project, for example, a SAS, build a SAS or something like this. Click create a project. You will redirect it to this page. From here, you can add a photo or anything, web search, or use style format style. You can add type of skills, for example, coding, write this icon, and then from here you will write prompts from your project, write your prompts. You can add a file here, and then you can add this one more templates. You have this for the templates. You have adaptive thinking. You can use this for coding, and you can share your project here, and you can start editing, add a new conversation here, and your project, for example, build a SaaS app, and then this Claude coding you will give you prompts here for your projects, and then you can start building your projects here. This is for project management. You can use project management and set this one for your landing page, and then you will write your all details here. This is how you can do basically, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, share this video.